Friends sailors, the moment arrived. This is Saturday, December 5th, and we are ready to go. Our route will be to Martinique, and we hope we will arrive in a reasonable time. We will see. Friends sailors, first about 24 hours of navigation, surely first morning navigation after we left Cape Verde. Wind is 20-25 knots, and the night was nice. We started with Maine and Genoa, but we soon saw that it was definitely too much. Also because in Q to take out the main is really a pain in the ass. Only thing, we will have to figure out something to balance the boat. She's quite balanced, but for sure maybe the stay sail on the other side can help us to reduce the rolling. The night has been quite rough. We had crossed waves and wind up to 25 knots. Plus the pilot had a mistake and said, well, anyway, we're here. Miles yesterday, so 24 hours is quite good, so very happy. We are at 1,128 miles from our destination. Last night we spoke with a nice French crew of the boat Skyfall, but they were nice. We will meet again in Martinique. Today there is the sun. The night has been amazing. we are at the end of day 9. We occurred practically half of our crossing, Atlantic Ocean crossing. Today the weather is a little cloudy, but the wind is fair, and so we are last 24 hours, we covered about 115 miles. So we're not running, we're not in a rush. We realized soon that in two and with a boat of these dimensions, it's useless and tiring and then dangerous to force things. So we're going nice and fair. So that's it. 9 days, half crossing. We do hope to find some current that will help us for the second part of our crossing in order to speed up things a little. If not, we are going to arrive around December 23rd. That's all by now. We're fishing, trying to catch some bigger fish, and well, we will see. Tanti auguri a me, tanti auguri a Lampa, tanti auguri a me. Well, this is a topical moment. We are in the middle of Atlantic Ocean at 1,078 miles from Cape Verde and 1,000 miles from the Caribbean, from Martinique Channel. And we're next to pass from 1,000 miles to 3 numbers on the display. Ah, eccolo! 999! Dai! E vai! After almost 18 days, it has been also tiring. We had cold conditions. By myself has been a great vessel as always, but we have been also a very good crew, I have to tell. So now is the moment to celebrate. It's 5 o'clock in the morning, so we celebrate and then go to sleep for a nap because we are quite dead. Hot champagne because the fridge decided to stop working tonight, but yoo-hoo! Now we are in Martinique. The crossing took almost 18 days. In 2 people can be tiring because we had shift of 4 hours each, and you never fully recoup your sleepings. That can be tricky. Anyway, it was a pleasant crossing with stars and waves, clouds and squalls. And anyway, we are happy we did it. Cape Verde, we started from here. And every one of these crosses is 24 hours of our course. 24 hours, one night, one day. About 100 miles per day, and slowly, almost 18 days, we arrived to Martinique. And this is done.